Hi, I'm Pete, and this is an HK Now Store unboxing. And what an unboxing it's going to be. I ordered these puzzles about 6 or 7 weeks ago. There was a little bit of a delay shipping them out. Maybe they didn't quite have the product in stock. And then it got opened. You see there's all this tape saying it is officially opened. But what really surprised me is that who opened it. It says his postal packet was opened for aviation safety check in the Air Mail Center, Hong Kong. And that was in the middle of May, 14/5. So, about a month ago, basically. So I'm used to these being open in customs, but to have it open up in the mail system for aviation safety checks, kind of intriguing, and it makes me wonder what about the box caused them to open up. All right, well, let's see what we got. Open this up. So yeah, I've seen some videos and pictures from other puzzlers who've had boxes open, and sometimes some pretty rude things happen to their puzzles, but boy, that's pretty sturdy tape too that they use. It looks just like regular tape, but it must be some kind of packing tape. Okay, we'll get that. So let's see what if anything they did. Maybe they just opened it and just peeked inside. Okay, hopefully that'll be good. We'll put that away before someone gets hurt. And yeah, so I am really kind of excited to get these puzzles. I've been seeing people with them for a while. And at least one of the puzzles, okay, oh well, okay, so there's Calvin's card, Calvin fan from HK Now Store, and there we go. So 3 puzzles. There should be some paperwork, and so it doesn't look like they really, the air safety people really did anything. It doesn't even look like they opened the boxes, so that's good, and that's quite reasonable. This is some paperwork. I'll just put that in there. Okay, so what do we have? 3 MF8 puzzles. 3 MF8 puzzles. And so I'm just going to set these 2 aside. I'm just going to guess which one I'm going to open first. And I'm pretty sure this is the puzzle I want to open first. This is the one I've been seeing in my Facebook feed on the different puzzle forums for quite a while. Some people got their hands on these quite some time ago. And so now I finally have one. So let's see what we have here. We got the Legend 3x3. That's not it. China Cube Club. Kirby Copter 3. Okay, I have that. I've had that for a while. And then Sun Cube. I have something similar to the Sun Cube. Okay, MF8 China.com or -China.com. That's about it. Made in China. No babies 0 to 3. So look, if you're 3, gotta wait till your 4th birthday. Blow out those 4 candles and then solve this thing. And of course, just a very good warning for anybody. Avoid to put any parts into the mouth or choke on. I mean, really, just keep it out of your mouth. Good advice. So the puzzle that's in this box is not in here, but we can see a little peep of what the puzzle is. So let's see what I got. Finally. Okay, so this is the MF8 Sun Mum Cube. And as I say, I've been seeing this in my feed for quite some time. I've been very intrigued by it. It should be a very, very interesting solve. Yeah, so let's just see how this turns. Okay, stiff, but it's smooth, no problem there. Indeed. Okay, so just on the outer layers, it's just a very stiff 3x3. No problem there. So you could actually see, you could just solve it like a 3x3 with funny looking edges. But these centers are what make this a unique puzzle and probably give us a name. So as I understand it, anyway, it moves like this. Let's see if I can get it. And okay, maybe I don't know how it moves. Okay, that's not it. All right, I'm just going to go in a little bit and take a different slice here. And something's moving. Okay, here we go. So, and of course this this reminds me of a few other puzzles that have a kind of a 45-degree turn. The Woody Eden series comes to mind, and yeah, there've been quite a few lately. So that's kind of a cool thing. So you can do that, and I imagine that at this point I can also do a face turn. Look at that, and really mess up those centers and get everything kind of moved out of place. That is really cool. I'm really gonna have fun solving this. I see it has these little corners too, and I'm gonna try that again, and I want to see where these corners go. So it's this inner slice, so that, and then yeah, so these inner slices are what moves. Well, that's if that's true. All right, let's just try this, and then you can go that way. Then I should be able to move this some more. Yeah, okay. I'm just trying to see how you separate the rest of them. Well, I guess I'll just have to figure out the rest of it. How to separate these. I think just separating one slice, that's right. So just get that slice by itself and then move it back, and then separate that. Okay, so that's how you do it. Then you'd move it back, and then you separate the other part. Wow, that's going to be really a very fun puzzle. I'm really looking forward to sinking my teeth into this one and giving it a go. So as I say, it's stiff, but it turns fine. It's very smooth. So I don't know if some lube will help, or if just a little breaking in. I would be inclined to just use it the way it is, and just maybe it'll just break in. I don't hear any spring noise, so that kind of makes me happy. I don't know. Okay, so and now let's take a look here, because it has the Mfe logo on it, but it also has, it says Mike Armbrust. Mike Armbrust. So I guess that must be the original designer of this puzzle. Very clever indeed. Okay, well, let's just put it this way. Okay, so that was the first one, and I don't need that box anymore. Now these next puzzles, also MF8 puzzles, just a coincidence. And these are a couple of puzzles that I don't really know much about. Honestly, I saw them somewhere, they looked interesting, and I thought, well, I'm just going to go ahead and get myself these puzzles. So let's see if they have it. Yes, so indeed. Okay, so this says 62mm hexahedron puzzles. So, okay, so they're basically saying square puzzles. 62mm square puzzle, so just a teeny bit larger than a regular 60mm Rubik's Cube. Oh, that's alright. And so it has some Curvycopter 3, dual axis cubes, so they have quite a few of them. Nice QM code there for you. I think this box is a little different than the other one. So, and then it says, a warning, choking hazard, small parts, not suitable for children under 3 years, or anyone that might try to eat one of these. Okay, and presumably this warning is also written in Chinese here. Okay, what else we got? D-Seth? D-Seth? Oh my, okay. I haven't even heard of that one. And then the Scooby-Copter is also something I haven't really seen before, so that's kind of neat. Neat to see those. Okay, made in China and the No Baby. So they've moved some of the graphics around, some of the logos. These are the two puzzles that are in these boxes. You've got your unicorn and you've got your crazy unicorn with the circle. Okay, I think I picked the unicorn one. We shall see in a moment here. So I'm pretty sure I just saw these puzzles on the HK Now store, so I don't really know much about them, and decided to give them a try. Well, this is It's interesting. Okay, so okay, there's okay. Well, that's okay. Yeah, so this is the Mfe Unicorn, and I'm just gonna have to figure out what exactly it does. Very, very easy turning. Quite a bit of spring noise there, but that's fine. Okay. A little bit catchy, but not. I think it'll be fine. I think I would have to sort of maybe hold it a little bit, a little squishy. Okay, so okay, seems almost loose, but you know, everything's tight, so it's turning very freely, I guess would be the word. A little bit of rattling there. Okay, well, if that's all it was, it would just be a funny looking 3x3, but we can clearly see that there's some additional cuts here. So what can I do with this? All right, what if I line this cut up? Yeah, I think that might actually work. Maybe not. No, it looks like it might work, but then this piece right here is all one, and that piece is all one. So as soon as I turned it, I could see that it wasn't going to work. Alright, so with that, let's see what we can do though. What if I turn it that way? No, that's not it either. Okay, well, okay, what can I do with these cuts? I'm looking at the different possibilities here, because I've already tried that sort of I don't know. Okay, so I can see that. All right, I gotta. This has gotta. Okay, that one. No, that's not gonna be it. Wow, it's kind of funny actually, because oh, wait a second. Okay. These yeah, these cuts aren't symmetrical. Okay, so they run this way and they run this way here. So, and I can see they sort of go around the puzzle a little bit. Look at that. I guess I should have thought about a corner turning puzzle, but wow, that is okay. Now I see what it is. So it's a vertex turner. That is going to be a very interesting solve. Okay, okay, this one's had somebody had a fresh haircut, I guess, when they were packing this or something. Okay, so that's what it is. So it's a corner turner. It shows you how little I knew about it. That's going to be very, very cool. So when you scramble the 3x3, so one of the steps is going to have to be putting the edges back and putting these little pieces back. That is going to be really, really neat. And let's see if there's any. I don't think so. Now, there is a lot of lube in this. I don't know if you see, it is a lot of lube. Like, it's just glistening here. So maybe that's why it turns so freely. I wish they'd put some, I don't know if you can hear the spring noise, but I wish they'd put some of that, just a little drop of that lube on the spring, and it's done. And I've never, of all the puzzles I have, I've never had to re-lube springs after I fixed spring noise. So it's just a one-shot deal, and then they're good for the rest of eternity, I guess. Okay, well, that is really, really neat. So, but now this is the thing. Okay, this one turns, that one turns, that one turns. Oh yeah, okay, so so 4 of the vertices turn, but these ones, this one doesn't, that one doesn't. Yeah, so yeah, that's just, it's not a symmetrical puzzle, and I don't know if that was just a design choice or what. So, well, that looks very cool. Now, because of that, I really can't wait to get my hands on this next one, because the next one, I'll show you the box really quickly here. It's the same packaging, So the same graphics and everything. So the one we have here should be the Crazy Unicorn. Let's open that one up. If this is what I think it is, it's going to be this one and then some. Okay. All right, there we go. And indeed it is. So what we have then, so we're going to have the same, well, let me check the turning. Okay, this is a little stiffer. I wouldn't call it stiff, it's just stiffer. I actually like this tensioning right here, so the other one's a little loose. Okay, so this will be, is that a zero face? I think so. So that's a zero face on the top here. Another one on the bottom. Oh, wait, are they all? Oh, they all are. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's... Okay, so normally a Crazy Cube with all zero face is not particularly hard to solve, because basically you just, right, and then you just pull down anything you need. But because we have the added challenge of solving the unicorn cube on top, I can sort of see it being a big challenge here. Now, I assumed that these corners would turn the vertices. Oh yes, they will. Okay, so I just had to make sure everything was lined up. So this is going to be a really interesting solve. There's going to be a lot to do on here. I don't see it being super challenging, but you know, I think it could be all done with just 3 cycles and basic techniques. But who knows? Maybe I've had puzzles that surprised me. So, but yeah, this is going to be a really fun solve if you like crazy puzzles. I'm really just blown away by these. I really can't wait to try these out and to see what they'll do. So this is the MF8 Crazy Unicorn. Crazy because it's got the circle, and then this is the MF8 Unicorn. Now, what I also notice is they have a different MF8 logo. It's just a black on white logo. It looks very nice. So it looks like they've been doing things with their logo. This has got a multicolor logo. Just a sort of an interesting. I really like the look of that. The way this puzzle looks. It looks very interesting. Stickers look really good on the puzzle. And of course, this is gonna make the purists a little bit or obsessive people, such as possibly myself, because of course you would think the logo would be lined up with the green. They're not even pointing in the same direction. Oh no, that's terrible. Anyway, okay, well, I'm really happy with my haul, my puzzle haul from HK Now store. My Sun Mum Cube, MF8 Unicorn. Let's just get things straightened out here. And then this is the MF8 Crazy Unicorn. Can't wait to get started solving these. Well, that's it for this unboxing. My haul of MF8 puzzles, the Sun Mum Cube, the Unicorn, and the Crazy Unicorn. I'm really happy with these. I can't wait to get started solving them. And as always, I appreciate your comments, your questions, your suggestions. Let me know what you're thinking in the comments. And until next time, thanks for watching.